Brazilian aerospace firm Embraer is reportedly close to finalizing a significant contract with the Royal Moroccan Air Force for the delivery of 4 to 5 KC-390 Millennium tactical transport aircraft, according to Military Africa on August 16, 2025. Valued at over $600 million, this deal would mark a major step in modernizing Morocco's airlift capabilities, offering a substantial improvement over its aging fleet of C-130 Hercules aircraft, some of which have been in service for more than 4 decades. The Embraer KC-390 Millennium represents the forefront of modern tactical airlift technology. Designed as a versatile and high-performance aircraft, it can carry up to 26 tons of cargo at speeds reaching 870 km per hour, 470 knots. The KC-390 is capable of performing a wide range of missions, including troop and vehicle transport, medical evacuation, aerial refueling, and operations from semi-prepared or short runways. Its cargo compartment, measuring 18.5 meters in length, 3.45 meters in width, and 2.95 meters in height, can accommodate armored vehicles, helicopters, or as many as 80 fully equipped troops, including 66 paratroopers. A rear cargo ramp enables rapid loading and unloading, and its sophisticated cargo handling system supports military pallets and oversized equipment, making it highly adaptable to diverse mission requirements. Morocco's current airlift fleet is primarily composed of C-130 Hercules aircraft, which, while durable and combat-tested, have limitations in comparison. Each Hercules can carry around 20 tons at a maximum speed of 650 km per hour, powered by 4 turboprop engines. The C-130's speed and efficiency lag behind the KC-390's twin-turbofan configuration. Additionally, the C-130 cargo hold is narrower and shorter, restricting the transport of large armored vehicles or oversized cargo. The age of Morocco's Hercules fleet has further contributed to higher maintenance costs and lower operational availability, underscoring the advantages of introducing a modern platform like the KC-390. In comparison with the Lockheed Martin C-130J Super Hercules, the KC-390 stands out in several areas. While both aircraft occupy the tactical airlift niche, the KC-390 focuses on speed and rapid deployment. Its turbofan engines allow for faster cruise speeds and slightly higher payloads, while modern avionics, fly-by-wire systems, and lower life cycle costs make it an attractive choice for air forces seeking advanced technology with reduced maintenance demands. By contrast, the C-130J maintains a reputation for ruggedness and exceptional short-field performance, particularly in austere or undeveloped environments. The two aircraft thus offer complementary approaches to tactical airlift, with the KC-390 excelling in rapid, high-volume transport, and the C-130J thriving in operational flexibility under challenging conditions. Operationally, the KC-390 offers Morocco several capabilities that its current fleet cannot match. The aircraft's full fly-by-wire flight control system reduces pilot workload and improves safety during complex low-level missions. Its compatibility with NATO standard refueling pods enables the KC-390 to serve as an aerial tanker, extending the range of fighter aircraft such as Morocco's F-16 Versus and supporting helicopter operations. Defensive systems, including radar warning receivers, missile approach warning sensors, and countermeasure dispensers, enhance survivability in contested airspace. Moreover, the KC-390 can operate from runways as short as 1,300 meters, providing access to remote bases in the Sahara or Sahel regions where infrastructure is limited. The acquisition of the KC-390 also carries important strategic implications. Morocco's regional rival Algeria maintains a substantial fleet of Russian-made Ilyushin Il-76 transport aircraft, as well as strategic platforms such as the Antonov An-124, which provide heavier payload capacities and longer-range lift capabilities. By introducing the KC-390 into its fleet, Morocco would narrow the air mobility gap with Algeria while aligning with NATO logistics and interoperability standards. This alignment strengthens Morocco's position as a reliable partner in multinational operations across North Africa, the Sahel, and potentially farther afield, offering both deterrent and operational advantages. For expeditionary operations, the KC-390 offers a significant force-multiplying effect. Its high speed enables rapid insertion of troops and equipment into crisis zones, while its versatility allows for airborne assault operations, parachute drops, medical evacuation, and logistics support. Aerial refueling capabilities allow Moroccan fighter jets to operate deeper into contested areas, while special operations forces can rely on the KC-390 for covert, rapid insertions and extractions. These capabilities expand Morocco's operational flexibility for both combat and humanitarian missions, reflecting a modern approach to regional security challenges. Embraer's proposal reportedly includes comprehensive training for Moroccan personnel, integrated logistics support, and potential industrial cooperation with local aerospace companies. With production slots already allocated to Brazil, Portugal, Hungary, the Netherlands, Austria, and South Africa, Morocco's participation would further strengthen the KC-390's position as one of the fastest-growing tactical transport platforms on the global market. Current projections suggest that final negotiations could conclude by the end of 2025, with deliveries potentially beginning in 2027. The broader implications of the acquisition extend beyond Morocco's immediate operational needs. By procuring the KC-390, Morocco would demonstrate a strategic pivot away from near-total dependence on U.S.-supplied airlift solutions, signaling a willingness to diversify its military procurement. Brazil's emergence as a credible alternative supplier challenges the long-standing dominance of Lockheed Martin in the tactical transport sector, highlighting the increasing competitiveness of international defense markets. The KC-390's capabilities also position Morocco to respond more effectively to evolving security challenges. The aircraft's ability to transport armored vehicles, helicopters, and large contingents of troops quickly enables rapid reinforcement of remote areas or participation in international coalition missions. Its medical evacuation capabilities provide essential support in both humanitarian crises and conflict scenarios, while the aircraft's advanced defensive systems improve survivability in high-threat environments. Combined, these features make the KC-390 a versatile tool for projecting power and maintaining regional stability. Furthermore, the KC-390 is designed with long-term operational efficiency in mind. Its modern systems reduce maintenance burdens compared to older aircraft, while its fuel-efficient turbofan engines improve operational range and cost-effectiveness. These factors contribute to lower life cycle costs and higher mission readiness, addressing critical limitations of Morocco's existing fleet. For air forces operating in environments where rapid deployment and sustained operations are essential, the KC-390 represents a transformative upgrade. In summary, the potential acquisition of the Embraer KC-390 Millennium would significantly enhance Morocco's airlift capabilities. The aircraft offers modern, high-speed tactical transport, versatile operational functionality, and advanced defensive features that far surpass the aging C-130 Hercules fleet. Strategically, the deal would improve Morocco's regional competitiveness, support NATO interoperability, and expand the country's operational flexibility for both combat and humanitarian missions. By investing in the KC-390, Morocco not only modernizes its fleet but also signals a broader shift toward diversified, technologically advanced military procurement. As negotiations move toward completion, the Royal Moroccan Air Force appears poised to enter a new era of air mobility, with the KC-390 Millennium at the forefront.